Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll help you fix that annoying Fortnite error. Code execution cannot proceed because Gameinput.dll failed to load. Let's jump right into it. First, press the start menu, type CMD and choose run as administrator. In the command prompt, type this and hit enter. This will fix any corrupted files related to the game input. Once that's done, restart your PC and try launching Fortnite again. If it still doesn't work, don't worry, you'll need to download the game input file manually. Go to your browser, search for the Gameinput.dll and download it from a trusted site. Once downloaded, run the installer. Now go to your C drive, find Windows and System32. In the search box, type game input and look for a file called gameinput_redis.dll. Right click it, choose rename, and delete the Redis part of the name. Hit enter and click continue. After that, restart Fortnite and the error should be gone. That's all for today. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fixes. See you in the next video.